is/is not analysis works by systematically asking, where does this problem appear and where does it not appear? That contrast is what makes it powerful. If a fault occurs on one machine but not on an identical machine next to it, the cause is specific to that machine. You've immediately narrowed your investigation before you've collected a single data point. Here's a real example. A food manufacturer had packaging defects appearing on one of 3 identical production lines. Is, line B. Is not, lines A and C. Is, afternoon shifts. Is not, morning shifts. Within 2 hours, they identified the cause. The afternoon crew had slightly adjusted the ceiling temperature to compensate for a draft near the loading bay. The is/is not grid tells you exactly where to look. You'll build one across 4 dimensions: what, where, when, and who. The boundaries you draw become your clues.